Hi and hello to everyone. Welcome to this important class is on probability. In this class, I'm going to take the problems where we have left from yesterday. Watch today's probability video. That there I have discussed some of the important problems. Hi Manjunath and good evening to everyone. So quickly can revise once yesterday's problems is on Bayes theorem. Okay, yesterday we have discussed some of the problems on Bayes theorem, and we have discussed and we have got the right answer for question 1 and question 2, and this was homework problem. I think all of you have done this, and fourth problem was over, and now we have to continue with fifth and sixth problem. Good evening Shashidhar and good evening Sangeeta, welcome to the class. So yesterday we have done these three problems, and you can go to these three problems in the yesterday's video and you can understand them. Clear? Okay, now we shall go for the fifth problem. So tell all your friends, join as much as early possible. There is one important announcement in this session. I'm going to do that announcement after the solution of these two problems. Okay, see the problem. Understand the problem first. In probability, very important thing is you have to understand the problem first. That is, a man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. Man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. He throws a die and reports that is 6. Throws a dice and he reports that it is 6. Find the probability that it is actually a 6. So we have to find the probability that actually there is appearance of 6. Okay, first you understand the problem and you see what are the events. Okay, so here event E1, see this, we have to find is actually 6. That will be event E1. So event E1 is going to be that actually 6 is appeared. Actually 6 is appeared. And the event E2 will be actually 6 not appeared. Actually 6 not appeared. Are you getting my point? Okay. So now there will be another event A. There will be another event A that reports, a man reports that it appeared 6. That it appeared 6. Okay. Here. So now the man has reported that it appeared 6. Now we have to calculate. See here what we have to calculate. We have to calculate the probability of actually it is 6. Probability of actually it is 6 means that is E1 and he is telling the truth. This we have to calculate. Are you getting my point? First, please understand the problem. There is a person who speaks 3 out of 4 times the truth. That means he speaks 3 times truth, he tells 4 times. That means out of 4 times he speaks 3 times truth and 1 time he say false. Okay. And he throws a dice and he reports that 6 is appeared. He reports that 6 has been appeared. But we know that actually he speaks 3 times truth and 1 time false. Okay. So now I want to calculate actually he is speaking truth. Actually he is speaking truth. That we have to calculate. So quickly tell me, have you understood the problem? Quickly tell me, have you understood the problem or not? If you have understood the problem, then we can continue with it, no problem. So here, now probability of even actually 6 appeared. That means on the dice, there will be 1 6. Okay. So total number of spaces are 6. That will be 1 by 6. Clear? Probability of even is going to be 1 by 6. Clear? Okay. So next, what will be the probability of E2? The probability of E2 is actually 6 not appeared. Actually 6 not appeared means here 1 minus 1 by 6, that is 5 by 6. So who have not understood the problem, to understand the problem. For example, I take one student. I know about that student that he speaks 3 times truth out of 4 times. Okay. Now that student has a dice in his hand and I tell him to roll the dice and tell me the output. Now what he do? He roll the dice and he reports me that, sir, it is 6. Okay. But I know that that particular student speaks truth only 3 times out of 4 times. So now I want to identify that is actually speaking the truth. That I have to find. Now tell me, Tapa, have you understood the problem? Chaitra, have you understood the problem? Please tell me, have you understood the problem? So now here event even is 6 appeared. That means on the dice there will be the six faces. On the first phase there will be 1. The second phase there will be 2. The third phase there will be 3. So on to there will be 6 outputs on the dice. Now actually 6 appeared. On this dice 6 will be present on one face. That will be 1 out of 6. And there will be 5 faces with there are no 6's. That will be 5 out of 6. Okay. So now probability of E1 is 1 by 6. Probability of E2 is 5 by 6. Clear? Now I want to calculate probability of actually he speaks truth such that already he reported 6 appeared. See this? I am calculating probability of E1 such that A is already occurred. That means A has been already reported. The student has reported that 6 has been appeared. Okay, that is already over. Now I want to calculate actually he is speaking truth. According to this, now we have to put the formula. Okay. First, the probability of E1 is 1 by 6 and the probability of A bar E1. That also you have to find. You also has to find probability of A bar E1. That is probability of A that he reported 6, that actually 6 has been appeared. That means it will be 3 divided by 4. That means he is speaking truth. Probability of A that actually 6 not appeared is 1 by 4. Okay. Now from this you can see probability of E1 is 1 by 6. And here you can see probability of A bar E1 is 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 4. So you simplify this. 5 by 6 into 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 4. So you simplify this. 5 by 6 into 1 by 4 plus 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 5 To simplify by taking LCM, it will be 3 divided by 3 plus 5. That is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is going to be the correct answer. So who all not understood this? Once you again understand the problem, try to understand the problem first. Okay. So here the problem is, for example, let us take there is a man, or you can take he is a student. Okay. I know that this student speaks 3 times truth out of 4 times. This particular student speaks 3 times truth out of 4 times. Okay. Now I tell him to throw the dice. What he will do? He will throw the dice. And he reports me that 6 appeared. He reports me that 6 appeared. Okay. But now I want to calculate of the probability that actually 6 appeared. That actually 6 appeared. Okay. That is, there is a man. There is a man. There is a man. He has a dice in his hand. Now I know that this is me. Okay. This is man. Clear? I know that speaks truth. He speaks truth 3 out of 4 times. He speaks truth 3 out of 4 times. Now he rolls the dice. He rolls the dice here, and he reports me that it is 6. He reports me that it is 6. Now I want to calculate that actually he is speaking he is speaking truth. This is the problem. Now tell me, Jayed Khan, have you understood the problem? Chaitra, have you understood the problem? Don't worry about the solution. Solution I will explain again. Sangeeta, have you understood the problem? First you understand the question. Once you understand the question, solving it will be very easy. So now I feel that all of you have understood the problem. I think all have understood the question now. Now I have to go for the answer. So quickly reply me. I am waiting for your replies. Jayed Khan, also reply me. Have you understood the question? Okay, Sangeeta is telling yes. Sovian is telling yes. What about Jayed? Chaitra? Okay. What about the others? Okay, I think Chaitra is also telling yes. Okay, no problem. What about Jayed? Okay, he is also telling yes. Very good. So now let us go for the solution. Now let us go for the solution. What we have to find? We have to find the actual truth. We have to find the actual truth. Okay. So here event E1, I will take actually 6 appeared. Event E1 is actually 6 appeared. Event E2 is actually 6 not appeared. These are the two events. One is 6 appeared, another one is 6 not appeared. So for that, first we have to calculate of probability of E1. That means occurrence of 6. Occurrence of 6 on the dice we have to calculate. So dice has 6 faces. That means total number of the faces are 6 on the dice. On the one of the face of dice there will be 6. That means favorable case is 1. Total number of cases are 6. Okay. Therefore 1 by 6 will be the probability of E1. That means actually 6 appeared. Okay. Because on the dice you are going to have faces. Out of these 6 faces, on the one face there will be 6 like this. Okay. So now it has favorable case of 1. Total number of the faces are 6. So 1 by 6 will be P of E1. Next, other phases are 5. That means 6 not appeared, that I has to calculate. Other phases are 5 where there is no 6. Favorable cases will be 5. Total number of cases will be 6. That is actually 6 not appeared. Okay. So now what is my another thing? He reports that appeared 6. I will take it as A event. He reports actually 6 appeared. That I will take it as A. Okay. So now here what I has to calculate, probability of actually 6 appeared and he reported that truth. Already he has reported me. Already he has reported me. Already he has reported means that is A. What is that A? Reports that it is 6. Reports that it is 6. Okay. Next, what is E1? Actually it is 6. Are you getting my point? So he reported already me. Already he has reported to me. That is A. What he has reported, 6 appeared. Now what I have to calculate? Actually it is 6 such that he has reported is also 6. This I has to calculate. So for this you know the formula, favorable cases divided by total number of cases, that will be 1 by 6. P of E1, that is favorable case, and he is speaking truth, that is 3 by 4. So 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 divided by total number of the cases. This is he is speaking truth. This is he is speaking false. So 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 4. So you all calculate this. 3 by 24, 3 by 24, 5 by 24. So you simplify by taking LCM, it will be 3 by 3 plus 5, that is 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 will be the answer. So quickly tell me, have you understood this or not? Very, very important problem on the Bayes theorem. Number of times they have asked in the question paper. So quickly tell me that, have you understood this or not? It is little bit tough to understand, I know, but you have to understand this. There is no another way. There is no another way. Okay. So quickly tell me how many of you have understood this. Reply me. I will be waiting for your replies. Quickly you have to reply me. Okay. All of you are telling as yes. No problem. There are 34 students. I am waiting for all the replies. Okay. Now I will come to one of the important announcement. One of the important announcement. That is, from tomorrow there will be two videos. There will be two videos. One is for passing package. Those who need only 35 marks. That means it will be the preparation of from 30 to 50 marks. And this will be for only those students who want to just pass the mathematics. Because some of the students are feeling that feels that they can't pass in mathematics. So for them, I'm going to take a separate session. I'm going to take a separate session. In that, I'm going to discuss how to pass mathematics, and to pass mathematics, what all the concepts you have to concentrate, and which problems you have to solve, and how to solve them, and where you have to concentrate more to just pass. That means 35 to 50 marks. Okay. So for this session, this will be conducted for those students so that they will join this. But others also can join this. But others also can join this. No problem. But please keep it in mind. It is for those students who are slow learners. Who are slow learners. Clear? For them it is going to be very very important. And as usual at 9 p.m. there will be our regular video where I am going to continue this probability from tomorrow also. So out of 100 out of 100 means you follow the regular videos where I am taking at 9 p.m. and there I am going to continue the probability, and that you can go through those videos. Are you getting my point? So how to take 100 out of 100? Don't worry, I will discuss the evening class from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, that you can attend regularly. So there is no rule that the students who are watching the video of passing package, they cannot watch the video at 9 p.m. They can also watch it, no problem. They can also watch it, but one thing is very important. The video which I am going to make for this passing package will be only concentrating on getting the mathematics easy and how to get 35 to 50 marks. This will be on those terms, and timing will be afternoon 1 p.m. Every day timing will be afternoon 1 p.m. Okay, daily afternoon 1 p.m. for passing package. Clear? So as usual, how to get above 50, how to get 100, I am going to discuss from 9 to 10. That chapters already I have started. Vectors is over, 3D is over. Now I am solving probability. After the end of probability, I will go for the other chapters. Okay. So which is interested chapter for all of you? No problem. I will go for that. So this was my important announcement to tell all your friends that they can also get use of this, and by sitting at home you can study well and you can also do good at mathematics. Okay, so tell all your friends, and already the WhatsApp group has been done, and in the WhatsApp group how many students are there, those many number of students must be live. Are you getting my point? Those who are in passing package WhatsApp group, those students has to be live. I will take attendance regularly, and those students, if they are live, then only I am going to follow them and I am going to tell them how to pass in mathematics. Are you getting my point? So already more than 60 students are there. So all those 60 students must attend the class live. All those students must attend the class live. Again, I am telling, for the passing package, students at 1 p.m. they has to attend live. Okay, if they attend live class, then only I can, what can I do? I can solve the doubts what they have. Are you getting my point? So keep this in your mind. Clear? Okay. So now coming to the problem, let us solve the sixth problem. Okay, now let us go for the sixth problem. That is a man speaks, a man who know to speak truth 4 out of 5 times. A man speaks truth 4 out of 5 times, toss the coin and reports that it is head. He tossed the coin and reports that it is head. Find the probability that it is actually head. Find the probability that actually it is head. So quickly try to solve the problem. Already I have solved this. Already I have solved this. Start to solve the problem and try to tell the answer. Quickly start to solve the problem and tell me the answer. Already we have discussed the problem, and already one of the problem is done. So if you have understood that problem, you can solve it and you can give the answer. Okay. So see here, what will be the event E1? Event E1 is actually actually had appeared, actually had appeared. Event E2, actually had not appeared, had not appeared. Okay, so another event A is reports, reports that had appeared, reports that had appeared. Okay, so now what is probability of E1? See this, head appearance means there are two faces for the coin. Head appearance means it will be 1 by 2. Okay, next, head not appears, that means tail appears. Again it has two faces, tail is on one face, so therefore it is also 1 by 2. So I think this much you have understood. So quickly tell me, have you understood this much? Quickly tell me, have you understood this much? Coin has two faces, one is head, another is tail. Therefore probability of E1 is 1 by 2, probability of E2 is 1 by 2. Now we want to calculate probability of A such that E1 has appeared. That means E1 means actually head has appeared. A is he reports head appeared. That means he is speaking truth. That is how much? 4 out of 5 times. And probability of A such that E2 has appeared. E2 has occurred. That means 1 minus 4 by 5. That is 1 by 5. So quickly tell me all of you, have you understood this much? Have you understood this much? Quickly tell me. Probability of A bar E1 is 4 by 5. Probability of A bar E2 is 1 by 5. So now I want to calculate probability of E1, and already he has reported that head has been occurred. That will be 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 into 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. So now 1 by 2 is common to take outside. Here also 1 by 2 is common, take outside. 4 by 5 divided by 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 get cancels. Here 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5 divided by 5 by 5. So this is 1. Therefore answer will be 4 by 5. Okay, so answer is 4 by 5. Sangeeta is telling that sir, report answer is not understood. See, report answer, this one, okay, this is about truth he speak. This is about not speaking truth, not speaking truth, that you understand. Okay, so speaking truth, see here 4 out of 5 times. Already in the problem it is given, speaking truth is given 4 out of 5 times. Clear? And another one is he is not speaking truth. 1 minus 4 by 5, that will be 1 by 5. That's all. Don't get confused. Okay. This is already given in the problem. This is 1 minus 4 by 5 where he is not speaking truth. 1 minus 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. Use your Bayes theorem formula. Favorable cases divided by total number of cases. So if you write that, you will get the right answer. Clear? So I think everyone has understood this. Very good. Everyone has understood this. No problem. Now I can go for the next problems. Now I can go for the next problems. What is my next problem? See here, the problems on are conditional probability. Problems on conditional probability. So see my dear students, these problems are very simple. Once you understand them, then each and every problem is going to be very simple. So that's why I am telling, follow this conditional probability rule what I am going to tell. These problems are going to be really very simple. So you understand them. That's all. Okay. So see here, you have to solve, you have to solve very simple problem. Very simple problem. See that. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing two dice. Please understand, two dice are thrown. That means two dice are rolled. That means in your mind, you must know the number of sample spaces. If two dice are rolled, what are the total number of sample spaces? Tell me quickly. So here, given that dice are rolled and are different, that means two numbers, two numbers appearing on two dice are different. That means I have rolled two dice here. I have rolled two dice here. So the number here I get, the number here I get are different. The number I get on the first dice, the number I get on the second dice, both are different. Very good. Total number of sample spaces are 36. Very good. So now find the probability of the event. The sum of numbers on the dice is 4. That means I has to make sum of these two and I should get 4. I has to get sum of these two and I should get 4. So quickly tell me all of you, have you understood this problem? See, I has to make sum of these two numbers and I has to get 4. Please tell me, have you understood the problem? Please tell me, have you understood the problem? Okay, sample space is 36. That is already over. Now please tell me, have you understood the problem? Okay, now I will go for solving this problem. See event E. See event E. Event E is set of numbers, set of numbers, set of numbers in which, set of numbers in which the sum, in which the sum of the appearing numbers, the sum of the appearing numbers, sum of the appearing numbers on the dice, on the dice is 4. On the dice is 4. Next, I will take event F. Set of numbers, set of numbers in which number appearing, number appearing, number appearing are different, number appearing are different on the dice. Okay. So now, who all not understood this problem? I think for those who have not understood this problem, again I am explaining. Please listen here. Who have not understood, for them I am telling. See, there are two dice like this. There are two dice, and what happens here? See, what is given? Given is two number appearing two number appearing on throwing two dice are different. That means the number here are different. This is given. What you have to find the probability of event sum of two numbers on the dice is 4. Sum of these two numbers is 4. That you have to find. Are you clear? Okay. So now see, there are two events. Event E is event E is already given. That is set of numbers in which the sum of the appearing numbers on the dice is 4. I will take this is event E. Next, event F. The set of numbers in which the numbers appearing are different on the dice. That means the appearance of the numbers on the dice are different. Okay. So now see what we have to calculate. See this. First you tell me what will be in the set E. The set E we have 2, 2, 1, 3 and 3, 1. This is in the set E. Clear? Next, the set F. What you are going to have? The two numbers are different. That means 1, 2. Next, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Like this. Another one is 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So on. Last one is 6, 5. So these are the set F. These are the in the set F. So can you tell me how many numbers will be in the F? Quickly tell me how many numbers will be in the F. The set F, how many order pairs are going to be there? That is n of E is 3. N of F will be 30. N of F will be 30 because see here another set 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 will be not in the set F. These elements are not going to be in the F. That's why n of F is 30, n of E is 3. N of F is 30 and n of E is 3. What is E intersection F? Now tell me what is E intersection F? E intersection F will be 1, 3 and 3, 1. E intersection F will be 1, 3 and 3, 1. 33 is not the correct answer because see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 6 you have to delete, not this 3. This 6 you have to delete, which are same. They are telling that different occurrence must be there. They are telling that different occurrence must be there. So that's why you have to delete this 6 which are same. So you have different occurrence, that will be 30. Now you do the intersection of E and F. That means common elements of E and F. See, common elements will be 1, 3 and 3, 1. This will be not present in the F because here same elements are there. So E intersection F is 1, 3 and 3, 1. That is two elements. Okay. So now you can see here what we have to find. We have to find the probability of the event. The sum of numbers on the dice is 4. That is probability of occurrence of the 4 such that the two appearance are different. That means n of f, p of e such that f has been already occurred, we have to solve. Probability of e such that f has been already occurred, we have to calculate. Okay. So for this, what is the formula? Probability of p intersection f divided by p of f. Probability of p intersection f divided by probability of f. See that p of e bar f is equal to probability of e intersection f divided by probability of f. First you see what is probability of e intersection f. The e intersection f, we have two elements. That will be 2 out of 36. 1 by 18. Probability of f. Totally there are 30 elements. So total spaces are 36. 30 by 36. So therefore 1 by 18 divided by 1 by 18 divided by 30 by 36, we have to simplify. That will be 1 by 18 divided by 5 divided by 6. Therefore 1 by 18 into 6 by 5, that will be 6 into 1, 6 into 3, 1 by 15 will be the answer. 1 by 15 is your answer. Quickly see this. 1 by 15 will be the answer. Okay. So how many of you have understood this? Quickly tell me. How many of you have understood this? Quickly tell me. Okay. So my dear students, tell me, I has to continue with the probability or I has to go for the next chapter, because there will be so many number of choices, because there will be so many number of choices in your question paper. So that's why I am telling, please tell me, I has to continue with the probability or I has to go for the next chapter. You say go for the next chapter, tomorrow I will go for the next chapter. Okay. So you see how many problems I have solved. You take them, no problem. So from tomorrow I can go for the next chapter if you all give the permission. I know that probability for some people it is very tough to understand. That's why I am telling, if you say go for the next chapter, I will go for the next chapters. Okay. Most of you are telling as next chapter, no problem. So that means I will go for the next chapter. So how about integration? Shall I go for the integration? Quickly tell me. Shall I go for the integration? Shall I go for the integration chapter? Okay. So most of you are telling that has to go for the integration. So from tomorrow I will start integration. So from tomorrow I will start integration. So all of you tell your friends to be live that from tomorrow I am going for integration chapter. Okay. And also remember regarding this important announcement. So please remember this important announcement that I already said. So you can go through that. And tomorrow I will start integration chapter. Tomorrow I will start integration chapter. Okay. So tell all your friends join the live class, not offline. Tell all your friends to join the live class. Okay. I will end this chapter here only. If time permits us, we can go for this, no problem. So I will go for the integration chapter tomorrow. So take care everyone. Good night. See you in the tomorrow's class. That is integration. Tomorrow I will start integration. Okay.